Hi my bougie babes, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please make sure that you subscribe by the end of this video. If you are not new here, hey boo, hey babe, I miss you. Also make sure you turn on your bell notifications because it's lit over here, poo, period. So today you guys, I am reviewing and installing the Butter Lace Unit 14 wig. Okay, bear with me in this video, y'all. A lot of things transpired. It was just crazy. Okay, so I'm showing you guys just how the wig comes. It comes with your instruction card telling you a little bit about the wig and everything like that. I'm also showing you the inside of the wig. It does come with 2 combs on the side and 1 comb in the back. It is a designated middle part, which kind of turned me off initially about the wig because it said that it was ear to ear parting. It's not ear to ear, sis, if it's only a middle part. So I continued to just go ahead and go on with the wig just to install it because, again, I needed this wig for an outfit that I was putting together today. So yeah, I'm going in with my pressed powder and my shade color, and I'm just applying that to the wig cap, and I'm also going to apply that inside of the wig. Even though it's blonde, you still want to make sure that you put your color foundation on your wig. Do not forget that, guys. Alongside of this video, y'all, let me just tell y'all, I was so nervous to do this blonde wig. I was so nervous, and I'm going to tell you why. Also, as you notice, I did not do a ball cap method. I'm noticing that I don't like to do ball cap methods with my synthetic wigs. That's just my preference. I feel like I like the way that it looks better. Upon putting the wig on, you guys, she was giving, okay? She was giving. I was still nervous, but she was giving. We're going to go into the Got To Be spritz, and we're just going to spray all the hairs back so that when we come to cut the lace off of the wig, we're not cutting any lace that we don't want to accidentally cut. So please remember to put all of your flyaway hairs back. Spritz and hot comb is going to be your best friend anytime that you're installing a wig. Okay guys, so the next thing that you're going to see me doing is kind of just going and cutting my ear tabs. I found that cutting them off before I actually put glue on the wig or spritz it down or melt it down or whatever is easier for me than trying to go back and lift up the glue to cut the ear tabs off. So now all I'm doing is spraying the spritz around the perimeter of the wig, which is basically the beginning of the lace, and I'm going to blow dry that on high heat until I feel like it's not moving or it's not going anywhere. I'm going to repeat the steps to the same side. I'm going to spritz and hot comb those flyaways back so that I can see where I'm cutting. Cut that ear tab off, and girl, yes. I was nervous about this color, y'all, but I'm going to tell y'all, I slayed. And if y'all not following me on Instagram, please follow me on Instagram so that you can see those pictures. My Instagram is at @IamYasmin_. Show some love on my pictures, y'all. Leave me a comment. Okay, so here you're going to see me just cutting my lace into sections. I find that it's easier for me to work with my synthetic wigs in sections versus trying to make sure the whole wig is melted down. And you guys will see why I say that. So as one section has already been cut off, you can see that it's not all the way melted into the skin. Now suppose that I would have went and just cut all of it off, my wig would have slipped back. Now I'm going to go back and just secure the parts that were not melted all the way down. Okay, y'all, so here comes the fun part, the baby hairs. Y'all know me, I try not to do my baby hairs on camera, but this time, I tried to give y'all a little insight on what your girl be doing with the baby hairs. Now, remember that I said this is a middle part wig, so I definitely had to go in there and create my own baby hair pullouts. But it's okay, because I did it, and what? Period, boom. Okay, so I'm going to go in and just pin up the hair, y'all. Please do not do this without a hair clip. It made it so stressful, y'all. You're going to see it stressed me out to not have my hair clipped. The hair was falling down as I was trying to wrap it back up so I could do the milk process. Y'all, I was getting so annoyed. I was trying not to show y'all that in the video, but I was getting so annoyed. My hair kept falling down. It kept getting in my way. And another thing about the hair, you guys, is it's very stringy, and I'm not sure if that's because it's blonde or what, but the hair was very stringy, and I just did not like that. And not to mention, being that the blonde wig was blonde, you would think that they would make it a little bit more thicker so that you could not see the blonde tracks. I also didn't like that. So as you can see, I finally got it on. I just went with the tie up method band around my hair because yes ma'am. So y'all, I'm showing y'all how I do my baby hairs right here. I've already cut one and I like the way that I cut it. I did go for a shorter baby hair cut look, and honestly I'm liking it. So I went in with my olive oil gel, lace gel. They call it lace gel. I went in with my olive oil lace gel to just kind of secure those baby hairs. Normally I don't really put product directly on my baby hairs, but this time I did, just to ensure that my baby hairs was not flying up and my wig and everything was just flawless and it wasn't going nowhere, being that this hair is blonde. Please secure those wigs, ladies, especially when you have light colored hair. You see everything with light colored hair, okay? Don't be that girl. Just don't. So over here, I'm actually showing you guys how I cut my baby hairs, which is at an angle. And again, I did cut them short, way above my eyebrows, so that I could achieve this, you know, really nice, like, to the point baby hair look. I'm also going back and cutting off the tabs of the ear because I didn't get it the first time. And I'm going to go back and just do the same method, slick those baby hairs down, spritz them, and blow dry them in place. I'm going to go back and just take my milk band, tie that over my hair, do my makeup, and pop back out like boop, bam, like yes ma'am, okay? I also took some makeup and put it on my lace just to kind of like tint the hairs, just to make it look more natural for my skin complexion. Bye babies, love you, see you later.